pirate, you're aware, right?
Yeah.
Oh, as long as you know. Alright, we got the whole bundle thing here, and anything else for you? Soft pretzel with cheese.
Y'all got that service.
Anything else for you?
I think that'll be it.
27.41. You ready to have some fun? Yeah, very good. All right. Well, 59 cents. Thank you, mate. You're good to go.
Get your hat.
I got you.
Say thank you.
Have fun.
Do you want to put sunscreen on right here?
Here, I think she like, well, I don't know, she doesn't like height.
Yeah.
What you done, dude? You got sunscreen on him?
No, we need to start putting that on them. I just want to stand over here with them.
Yeah, you see that red paint? That's not paint. And now it also means that all you lovely people are now stuck aboard with us.
We're turning back now.
That's right. So what are we going to do with all these victims?
Well, with time you can't go around calling the victims to their faces.
Yeah, well, what do we call them behind their backs?
You got to call them passengers.
Passengers? Why? Just like that. Very, very good. Yeah, we got a good crew here, don't you think?
I think so.
Very good. Now, pirates, as we accompany our wee ones down the stairs, make sure you got a good hold on them. Why, we do not need to see any pain. Be kind to fire just fine, thank you.
We got 3 words to help you out. So when I say ready, I need all the pirates to say ready. When I say aim, they're going to say aim. And when I say fire, point at the shield.
Oh, the bird got away! Hey, Ariel, you let me this be talking. She said the F word. Yeah, she said fire.
Oh, Ariel, let's go around the deck saying fire whenever you feel.
What, Captain, we were practicing down here.
Oh, well, enough of all this practice. Let's get some real panic on here.
Aye, Captain says this is for realsies, so plug up your earsies. Moms and dads, do make sure you get the baby. Now I need the whole ship to give us a nice banger. Ready? Aim!
Give us a yo! Now that we've reached the out of that response. Alrighty, so on the count of 3, you all
If you want to hold him, I just wanted to come up here for a minute and film what we're look
You're a
around.
bit outnumbered, so let's make it even. Let's have the lads and the dads joining on this one too, yeah? Everybody on the count of 3, yell yo ho. Here we go.
Hey, that's where we were.
1, 2, 3. Oh, hey, you in the wheelhouse.
Yes.
What are you doing blowing your big stinky horn?
Well, the boat that went by, that's why my parents are on there. I was waving to them saying hello.
Oh, your parents are on that boat.
Yeah, say hi to my mom.
Wow, you can really see your mom's mustache from here. Wow.
Let me see. My mom you're talking about. You do bring up a good point, though. She was supposed to have that taken care of. Just an appointment or something.
It's weird because we have the same barber, so I didn't see her. Hey, it doesn't matter. You interrupted the contest again.
Oh yeah, there was a contest going on. That's right.
Yeah.
I believe we've got here. You yelled, lads.
Yeah. Did you yell? Did you yell?
Well, I didn't hear them.
Well, if you didn't hear the lads, what are we gonna do?
Well, that means sorry, lads, you lost, and the lasses won. Somebody blew a hole right in the ear. I don't know, there's a lot of them up here, Riptide. Best get to swapping knives, this could take a while, but I'll let you know, Riptide, when I figure it out.
Yeah, sure you will, Captain. Alright, well, sorry lads, it looks like we lost this one. We gotta do what the captain says. I didn't vote for him, but he's the one in charge. So keep your feet right where they is. Keep your feet right where they is, because girls, you...
Can't go back in
Good hoops on for everybody.
Oh, sorry.
That looks really tasty. Can I have one?
Mm-hmm.